Hello, welcome back to AC Wonders. Did you see this design? This beautiful, wonderful design is done by using small lines of Python turtle graphics. Yes, it's on execution. Just to see how it is drawing. After completing this, I will explain the code, how it is drawing. Actually, this one is drawing triangles, 7 triangles first in each step, and then again another 7 triangles, that is in 7 colors of rainbow. A set of 7 triangles, then another set of 7 triangles, then another set of 7 triangles, like that. After completing a 7 triangle set, actually it shifts 45 degree. Then again draw a set of 7 triangles, like that. Now I am going to explain how the code works. At the same time, you can see this. Okay, you can see this here, and at the same time I am explaining the code. We are importing turtle as T. We are importing turtle graphic functionalities as T. Then in the next line onwards, we are using T instead of turtle. Okay. Then T dot speed is equal to 0. We set the speed as 0. Then T dot pen size 2. That is pen size, the thickness of these lines, we set as 2. Then a for loop for I in range 125. That is I takes value from 0 to 124. That is 125 iterations takes place. In this 124 iterations, in each step this complete code works. That is, in the next for loop, the second for loop, I given the range as violet, indigo, blue, green, like 7 colors of rainbow. Then by using these 7 colors, this for loop draw triangles with these 7 colors. First draw a violet triangle, then an indigo triangle, then a blue triangle, then a green triangle, like that. For making triangle, we shift left 120 degree, that is T dot left 120. You can see here 120 degree. By shifting 120 degree left, we can create a triangle. Then in each step, after drawing a triangle, in this line, 12th line, you can see T dot forward 2 into I plus 4. that is 4 units extra it moves outward, then drawing the next triangle. That is why we are seeing this triangle in increasing order, increasing size. Also size increases due to this I value. I takes value from 0 to 124. Then each iteration of the first for loop, I value increases. Based on that, here also t dot forward 2 into I, 2 into I, like that. That is actually drawing the line. T dot forward, forwarding the turtle 2 into I distance. While taking this one, while taking I value as 1, 2 into I is 2 itself. Then again, while I takes value 2, 2 into I, that is 4. Then 2 into I, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, like that. That's that much distance the turtle forwards. That is, in each step the size of the triangle changes. That is why first it draws small triangles, but when it reaches to the last steps, the triangle size increases and reaches up to this size. Okay. Then the last line, t dot exit on click. This is just used for exiting this Python turtle graphic window. Just by clicking here, the graphic window will exit. I think you understood the code. I can show the entire code. See this code. You can write this code by looking here, and you can experiment on that. Okay, I think you understood the code very well and you like this design. If you like and if you are willing to get more such good wonderful designs, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Anyway, thanks for watching.